Jessica. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and the reason for that is in February we had an adorable baby boy, Theo. So we decided to just take some time and enjoy our family time. And so that's why there hasn't been any videos. We've just been busy. But I wanted to come back and post some more videos for you. Today is Mother's Day in our house, and I wanted to start a new tradition with our little one, and we're gonna do stepping stones with his little feet in them, and I'm gonna use a salt dough recipe to do that. So that's what we're gonna do today. So enjoy the video. If you have questions on the process, make sure to leave them below and I'll try to answer. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll see my future videos that I promise I'm going to start filming more. So let's get started into the process and how to make salt dough. So it's really simple. You're going to take 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, and a half cup of warm water. And you're going to mix it all together. Once it's mixed, you're just going to knead it for a while until it's nice and soft and smooth. And if the mixture is too crumbly, add water. If it's too sticky, add flour. So that's just what I'm going to start doing here. Okay, now that we've got it kneaded where we need it to be, I'm going to actually take it into 2 sections. Just divide it into 2 sections equally. Okay. And I've got a small plate here that I'm going to use to make that stepping stone. I'm just going to put it down in there. It's got a nice round edge in it. I'm going to use, flatten it out. If you've got too much, you can take some of it away. Round out my edge. What I'm going to do, leave a nice soft edge there. I'm going to put it on some parchment paper so that when you bake it, it doesn't stick to the pan. Smooth out my edges. We'll do our second one. Fit that in the plate. Now I am doing a thicker dough, and you can do decorations, ornaments, whatever you like. If you want to do that, just make sure this is the time where you want to secure some kind of hole into it by poking a straw in there, and you can leave, if it's a cardboard straw, that'd probably be best to leave it while we cook it, because you do cook this in the oven. Just get that nice and pressed in there. Okay. We have our stepping stones. Now all we need is a little baby to step into them. So I'll be right back with the little guy. Okay, so everyone, meet Fyodor. Say hi, Theo. We call him Theo for short, or Teddy. He's got lots of nicknames already. He's just over 3 months old and he's a big boy. He's excited for his first Mother's Day. And we're going to put this footprint in. We're going to do a left and we're going to do a right. Ready, bud? push really hard. So we're gonna try the left one here. Push down really hard. There we go. And there we have it. So I'll get these in the oven. They'll go in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours, and we'll see if they're done. If they're not done and they seem a little doughy, I'll flip them over and cook them for another 2 hours. So I will come back with my finished project. So they're finally out of the oven. They were in the oven for about 5 hours. And like I said, I had to bake them for 3 hours, and then I flipped them and baked them for another 2. But they're really adorable. As you can see, there's one and there's the other. They are so cute. Really pleased with how it turned out. It's kind of got like an aged look to it. You can paint this if you wanted to. I think I'm gonna add some kind of glaze to it so it kind of looks like it's aged or something of that nature. But I'm really excited to do this every Mother's Day going forward. A nice tradition for us, and watch his little feet grow. And then at some point I'll have a garden, I think, and we'll put them in my garden and it'll be like he's growing through the garden. I think that'll be really cool to see. Yeah, I love how it turned out. It's just great. If you like this video, like I said, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and on your special day with your little one, give this a try. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will have another video for you soon. Thanks.